Guys, I'm here with another video, doing another video tonight. Yeah, you're like, well, why? You don't really do videos much anymore. Well, yeah, I'm sorry. Well, this is like, I don't know. This my TV every time, like every once in a while makes this sound. It won't go off unless I turn on my PlayStation. Like if you can't hear it, I'll get closer. Look, can you? If you, I think I'm pretty sure you can hear it. I don't know. It sounds like an alien or something. I don't know. But if anyone knows, please send me a message on Twitter or put in the comments or something. So yeah, because I do not know how to fix my TV from making that sound. Please help me.